Hey everybody, this is BT Stu, master trader and course creator at the Premier Forex League. I was just checking in with you guys today. I wanted to show you what happened last week. I think this was on December 2nd, so a little bit ago, 12 days ago. I was just looking over this video and wanted everybody to see, how these signals work and see what you see when you first come into the room. As you can see, when you come in here, you have down, 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 down. All right, you have a bunch of previous downs, on the GU, and that's what I'm looking at and talking about right now, is a GU, GJ. So you have everything that says down. All right, and most people, once it starts flowing that way, that's the way that you're going to continue taking this trend down, especially with all these signals. But I just wanted to show you, how these signals work for everybody that's not familiar with the room. Is that once you start getting some signals like these blues, those blues there, 4-hour blue here, what they're doing is they're telling you that there's about to be an up move. Now it doesn't mean you just jump in blind, at 96 or so. You wait, and then you take this when you start having some signals up. And I'm going to show you how long you can actually kind of wait to take signals to the upside. And so you don't have to think like it's like, oh, I gotta get in, I gotta get in right now. This will minimize your risk, and and maximize your profit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go through this kind of fast, and flip through it. But right now, you just have downs, you have red momentum. These blues are telling you something's coming, but right now, you have on the head 1 hour signal down. I never go against them. I never go down, never go against these active signals like this with those blues, until they hit a significant road, which, they are right now. They're hitting this BB band on the daily. So, I'm looking and I'm waiting for reaction, and, and there it is. You could have taken this first move if you really wanted to, but with the, yellow-red daily, that this wants to push. So this will want to push and probably try to break this band here. But either way, besides all that, if you want to wait for this to turn around, you can see what happens after it turns around. So what I'd be looking for is that when this move, is the actual, bounce and move off this bottom BB band, it goes all the way, it'll get above the 5-minute orange road, and then we can just start to take it up. So I'm just going to fast forward through this so you can see it. Went up, pierced it, came right back down. It's still pushing down. And it finally broke this band. All right, so now, you still have the blues. You broke all the bands, and that's what I expect also. I expect that daily arrow there, when I'm in here, when I'm trading, I expect it to try to break all previous bands. Unless there are 1 and 4 hour signals supers like these up. So what that tells me is that on that first hour when these bands flattened out, that I wouldn't be looking to take it up yet, because I know that just from experience that this thing wants to break that bottom band. So okay, let's just take it from this point. Once we get above this orange line here on the 5-minute, from that point on, just go forward. We can just continue to take this up now. I just wanted to point this out. Look at that. Once you got above, you can continue to take this up. And then, you have signals. You're getting a reaction off of the 1 hour, bounce here. But, that's what I'm saying. Even at worst case scenario, you got in this move at 06, something like that. Well, here's over 20 pips, almost 30 pips right now. If you'd have waited this long for this move to develop, you didn't have to be in the first move. Once you had, this golden ticket number 1, as we talk about, in the GT trade number 1, once you had that with you, you were already above here, and it started to happen about right in this. So if you'd have got in this trade right in here when that turned green, you're already 20 pips up. Let's go ahead and go through it some more. And went up to 39. So, you're talking, the 35 pip move roughly, somewhere in there. It's still pushing up. All right, because you don't have anything saying down, to get, to beat these. It's always going to react off of, uh, you know, these orange roads. So that's a sign right there that when it, hit that orange road, there's going to be a reaction. But you didn't have to take that. You already took, 20, 30 pips. I mean, this has been a move down and it hit all those roads. You can easily see, that would have been an easy 20 pips down, off of that break right there. I really wasn't looking, I knew that it would react off of the 1 hour. That's not what I wanted to show you. I just wanted to show you that you don't have to be on this original, move all the way down here. I mean, the first move was here, went down a little bit lower to create a lower low, so this might not be that big of a move up. But, afterwards, as soon as it got above the 5, that was you had one trade here that was up, for 20 pips. Back down, you could have had another one up here for, 10 or so. And then, bending this one all the way up to there. So I just wanted to point out that there's so many opportunities to take trades that you do not have to take your first trade. You can be in there, plenty late, follow the rules, and, take plenty of pips. And 20 pips will make you rich. 20 pips a day at the right lot size. I mean, you're talking about there's some people in our room that do, $1,000 to $5,000, a pip. So, I mean, there you go. Look at it that way. Even if you're doing $100 a pip, that's $2,000 a day. If you're doing, $5 a pip, that's $100 a day. So either way, it doesn't matter what you do for your lot size, and how much you put on each pip. It's up to you what you want to risk, and, but it's easy to get 20 pips in one day. And if you can just steadily, consistently get 20 pips, I guarantee you will be rich and a millionaire in 6 months. And you can take that to the bank. I'll see you guys tomorrow. You guys have a good day.